First thing is who is practicing it.
Ki gyakorol? Az első dolog. Ki gyakorol?
Okay, means are you eligible? Okay,
But is
for example, eligible means you are ready for that. Your own interest there must be. Okay, second thing is how are you doing the right practice, right for you especially. Why?
this is the third.
Yes, is it fulfilling your interest? When? What is the climate?
Mikor?
What is the timing? Is the practice matching it or not?
With myself, to myself.
For everybody.
Everybody.
Yes, everybody. And where?
És hol? Ez
Means, are you practicing it in very crowded place? Like you are meditating you start meditating in a very crowded place. Initially, it will not work. But after some practice, you may do that. But initially, you need some peaceful, calming, soothing place.
Comfortable.
Yes, comfortable place.
Yes,
That will help you out. Who, how, why, when, where, everything is accomplished. Then only you will get the benefits. And if not, you will get a little benefit, maybe, but there will be side effects also. To have first theoretical knowledge, then only practicalized it, then only try it. First have theoretical knowledge, read about it,
Read about.
read your mind, read your body, read your interest, and then you will understand what is my need, what is my interest, and then you will choose. So this yoga practice I need to do more. Like if you are, after reading your mind, body, books, everything, you came to the conclusion that I have many problems regarding to my mind, then you will choose first the basics of yam niyam asana, but mostly the breathing. Yes, you will work more on breathing. So that's how you choose. Okay, so who, why, when, where, everything you need to keep in mind in order to know yourself first. So everything starts with what? You first. In this way, if you try, you will excel. 100% you will excel. And always keep in mind, there is no race. There is no race. You are not in race with anybody.
Nem kell versenyezni.
Even a single DNA is not matching, okay, with everyone. Like it is said, the father and you can say the children matches the DNA. But you know what? The smallest strand of DNA is not matching, and that's how everybody is different. The smallest unit, your smallest structure is different. And that's how everybody is different. So how can you go in race together? No. And maybe somebody likes bhakti, maybe somebody likes like him. Okay? So yeah, so everybody's path is different. What your need, what you like, what you enjoy, what is good for your growth, just choose it and do not think about anybody. And maybe your growth will be slower than others. And this, when you resolve this, the competitiveness, where there is no competitiveness, there will be no race. Okay? And if will be no race, there will be no hurry. Enough time for everything. Because where to go? Okay. And healing also takes time, because we have, like you said, if you will start all these things in your life, you will drop down again and again, and you will feel stressed again and again. You will feel anxiety, guilt again and again, because you decide something and you will not be able to fulfill it.
So you said that I don't have to raise myself
Yes.
too.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Magadval
So
sem kell.
race with whom?
Race with
Race with whom means race with who?
who?
Because you are the same thing, na? The mind, body, and soul. Everything is yours. Why to race?
Yeah. Me.
I love my all children. Same.
Egyenlő
I
ez.
can't say that my body is good than my mind. No, my body is also very good, my mind is also very good, and my soul is always good. Okay, so that is the thing. I can't compare my children. Na? She is different, he is different, everybody is different, and all are my love. So in this way, we need to treat. And when you start treating like this, you will treat everybody yours. He is good, he is good, he is good in your nature. But sometimes you need to protect yourself, okay, with the negativity, because all the rules never works at every time. You need to be decisive enough. You need to be chooser enough, wise enough. Sometimes you have to sacrifice your mental peace, your stress, but for good cause. And how will you differentiate it? You will not feel any guilt. You will feel happy.
It's
Yes.
just that we sacrifice our mental health.
Not health, some of the segments, like if I am here, for
Yeah.
example, I will try to give you answer with an example. If I am sitting here, okay, I need to remain calm and cool. I want to. And anybody who is in pain and come in emergency, oh doctor, I need help, I need to wake up. Oh, who is I'm not able to sit calm. I need to wake up, I need to disturb my mental peace.
Mental peace.
Yes, I need to work out, I need to help him at that situation. I'm not taking care of
But-
myself, but what will be your first choice as a human being? You will help. You will not think yourself at that time.
Yes.
Like a mother,
Yes.
she never see, most of the time for her children, she never think about herself first. So sometimes we have to sacrifice our mental peace, our physical peace, but for good cause. I always say that good cause means what, and how you differentiate what is good cause, what is bad cause. So you will not feel guilt, you will feel happy after doing that. You will not feel stressed after doing that. Like my child is weeping, and I am here to meditate, okay, and I will go, oh, why he is weeping, okay, and you will do something, and after that you again come and you will not feel guilt. I have disturbed my mind, oh, why is he, okay. Some people do like this, but this is for good cause. This is your responsibility. Here comes the responsibility. Okay, the good cause is, this is the only identification, how to identify. You will not feel any guilt after doing that. After disturbing your mental peace for some times, you will not feel guilt. You will feel very happy. The first step is to clean your body, mind, and soul is always clean. You do not need to clean it.
Okay.
And second step will be, so the cleaning is slow. Cleaning should be slow. Okay.
Tisztítás az lassú folyam.
And the second step will be now feeling the energy inside. Then-
Yes.
So then again you need to be slow. Okay. You need to start slow yoga practices, breathing. In breathing you are energizing your prana energy. You are feeling what? Prana energy inside, vital energy inside. Okay. You are when you are doing like this, as I say, when you are drinking water, you are feeling what? water energy inside, the energetic thing, natural things. So you are feeling gradually all the positivity, okay, all the positive things, and at the same time keep increasing the vibration of your mind and body. How? By increasing your positive activities, like listening the good things, speaking the good things, means, which is, as I say, choose what is good for your growth. And what is growth? Growth is ultimately increasing the dimension. Growth is not like increasing the muscles. No.
Yes, yes, yes. It's harder, way harder than that, because in the past I try that I'm in a silence, and when somebody asks me a question, I will thinking, but some word is going automatically. I can't fully control what
Yeah,
I say.
that's how I say, start
Yes.
slow.
Yes.
It never feel guilty.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
that
yes,
is
yes,
that is a very important thing. You can't achieve in one day. You can't be a yogi in one day.
Yes.
It will take, I think it will take whole life. Okay.
Yes.
So we need to be patient enough. Yes, I have done wrong. The thing is, apologize mentally. Never keep the knots inside. Okay? The thing is, you need, if you think that I have done the wrong thing, I should not do it, I should not speak that,
Yes.
then at once close the eyes and just apologize that soul. You are a soul, I am a soul. So if I have used, unknowingly I have used some abusing word for you, and then I said, then I think, oh, I should not do that, then I will, at the same time, I will close my eyes and say from my heart, sorry, please, uh, excuse me. Okay?
Inside of you.
Yeah, mentally,
Inside.
you are
Yes.
releasing your own knot. You are not doing it for her or him, because after listening your sorry, he will not change.
Okay.
He will do the same thing again.
Yes.
So you are not responsible for maintaining her or his mental peace before yourself. First you. So you need to release the knots again and again. Again, no guilt, and if there is guilt, resolve it. So if it is possible, go in front of him and say sorry. And if it is not possible at once, then do it at once. It is under your control.
Okay.
So you just have to keep in mind this only single thing and nothing else. I don't need to be a very higher yogi. I do not need salvation, nothing. I just need to start like this only. Okay, be your best friend.
I want, but I don't need to.
Yeah, and automatically you will be one day. Yes,
Okay.
we don't have to think about becoming a very highest yogi.
In this life.
Yeah,
Yes.
you will automatically just start with smaller things, day to day
Kunjam,
life. Yes, kunjam, and you will automatically get that life, a pure yogic life, and everybody will be get influenced by you, by your actions, by your thoughts, by your patterns of life. So you just have to do, and everybody will follow you.